This is the practical exam for the scroll saw. You'll be asked to do 2 cuts on this. One will be a half circle off a triangular piece. The other one will be off just some sort of weird, intricate design where you'll be required to make, or first draw and then make relief cuts. It may not be exactly like this, but it'll be something similar. The first thing you'll want to do when approaching the scroll saw, like the rest of the tools, is clear off your workplace so it's free of dust and debris. Then, what you want to do is you're going to want to lower your guard so it's 1/8 of an inch above your workpiece. For this is the knob to tighten and loosen your guard. You're going to turn this, lower it down so it's about 1/8 of an inch. Just to prevent kickback from your workpiece when you start sawing on it. The next thing you'll want to do is check your blade tension. So that's this right here. You don't want it tight enough where it doesn't move, but you also don't want it so loose that it's going all over the place. That's done with this knob right here. It's on 4, which is a good number and usually is correct. As you can see, if you go this way and it's too loose, this becomes too loose and that could break it. You don't want to go much tighter than 4 or 4.5, just so, again, it doesn't break. We are now ready to make our first cut. The on-off switch is here, the red button, down for on, up for off. This knob behind it is the speed. Generally you want to start with this located all the way on 0 and 1. Then after you turn the machine on, rotate it this way so the blade speeds up. A good speed is usually around 4.5 or 5 when doing cuts. Again, this is the cut we'll be making. The next cut you'll be doing is on this oddly shaped thing. The big thing about this is we want you to perform good relief cuts. Now what a relief cut is just to relieve the stress on the blade at that given point. A scroll saw can negotiate very well and make very tight turns, but you never would want to break the blade. So what you want to do is you want to make relief cuts at the apex of these curves. And what I mean by that is where these dots that I have indicated at, right where it has the largest bend in it. From there, you just want to draw lines that go out. They don't need to be in any particular order, but you just want them to be as simple as possible for making your cut. What you'll do now is you'll turn your blade on in the same manner we did, and you'll make each cut through here, back out the same one, through here, back out the same one, and so on. What this does is then, while you're cutting around on your piece, each piece will break away, relieving the pressure.